Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the New Indian Express newspaper Sudoku was on January 17th, 2022. Hard Sudoku. Fifth row and sixth row we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Sixth row and seventh row we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 1, 5 and 8. So 1, 5, 8 can't come in these cells. It will come any one of the cells, will confirm later. Then 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7 will confirm later. Fifth row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell. Column J also we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8 will confirm later. Sixth row on column D, we have 1, so 1 can't come in these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Fifth row and seventh row we have 3, so 3 can't come in these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3 and 9. Fourth row and ninth row we have 2, so 2 can't come in these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. We will confirm later. Column I, we have 3. Column J, we have 2. Now fourth row also we have 2. So 2 can't come in these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 7 and 9. 7 and 9 can't come in this cell. It will come union of the cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 numbers are remaining. 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 3 is confirmed here. Seventh row we have 7, so 7 can't come in these cells. It will come union of the cells. Then since 7 is here, so 7 can't come in this cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Ninth row we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell. In this grid we have 1, so 1 can't come in these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 10th row on column C we have 4, so 4 can't come in these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 8th row and 10th row we have 4. Column J also we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column E and column F and column J we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 8th row and 9th row we have 9. Column J also we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 8th row we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, then 5 is confirmed here, then 8 is confirmed here, then here also 8. In 9th row and 10th row we have pair numbers 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come in these cells. It will come union of the cells. Column E we have 1, then 1 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. 8th row and 9th row we have 2. So 2 can't come in these cells. Column G also we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, then 2 is confirmed here. Eighth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. We will confirm later. Fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. We will confirm later. In this grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, then 5 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 7th row, only 1 numbers are remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. We will confirm later. 9th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, then 5 is confirmed here. Column J, only 1 numbers are remaining. We don't know 6 or 7. It confirm later. Column B and column D we have 9. Second row and 4th row also we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column C and column D and third row we have pair numbers 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come in these cells. It will come in any one of the cells. 4th row we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column B and column D we have 3. Second row also we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Third row we have 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come in these cells. It will come union of the cells. Column D we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then in this grid only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column B we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column D, only 1 numbers are remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column B, we have 5. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column B, only 1 numbers are remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. We will confirm later. 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. it will come in one of the cells, it will confirm later. Second row, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column G we have 4, then 4 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Third row, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Column E we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, then 3 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Fourth row, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column E we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, then 5 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column E, only one numbers are remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Since 6 is here, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Ninth row, only one numbers are remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. In this grid, only one numbers are remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Since 7 is here, 7 can't come in this cell, then 7 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column G we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, then 7 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.